Mom, I drank water and I forgot I was fasting.
Me too, I ate candy. Are we in trouble?
No, you're not in trouble. Come here, both of you. Why are you shaking?
Because we wanted to do it right and we failed.
We tried to fast, but it was so hard.
The day felt like forever.
The first fast always feels long.
Even adults feel that sometimes.
Why do people fast if it feels this hard?
Because fasting teaches patience.
Patience feels slow.
Slow things grow strong, like trees.
I like trees, but I don't like hunger. So, Allah isn't angry with us?
Allah sees your intention first.
Even if we make mistakes?
Especially when you learn from them.
Then, I want to try again someday.
Dad, was fasting hard when you were small?
Very hard. I once drank water and cried all evening.
Really?
Really. And my father told me the same thing I'm telling you now. Keep trying.
I think the hardest part is waiting.
Waiting teaches the heart to be calm.
My heart was not calm. It was shouting for food.
That's how learning begins.
Really?
Yes.
Next Ramadan, I want to fast longer.
Me too, but maybe not the whole day yet.
Step by step is the best way.
Growth is slow, but it is beautiful.
I liked sitting together this evening.
Me too. It feels warm like a hug.
These evenings are my favorite part of Ramadan.
Mine too.
I think I understand now.
Me too. Ramadan is not about being perfect.
Yes, dear.
It is about trying, being kind, and growing a little every day.
And the hearts that keep trying are the hearts Allah loves most.
Mom, when you fast, what do you think about during the day?
I think about being thankful.
Thankful for what?
For food, for family, for quiet evenings like this.
When I fast, I remember people who don't always have food.
So fasting helps us understand others?
Yes, it softens the heart.
I want a soft heart. I think today I learned something.
Me too. Hunger is hard, but being patient feels strong.
That is a beautiful lesson.
And you learned it together.
Next Ramadan, I will try again.
Me too, but maybe I'll start with half a day.
That's a wise plan.
Small steps can take you very far.
I like Ramadan. It feels peaceful. And it makes us kinder.
That is the beauty of it.
Ramadan reminds us that a kind heart is brighter than any light.
For more lessons, if you're new here,
Please subscribe to support this channel.